So for this problem, it seems like we have one giant math expression. So in order to make myself more organized, I'm going to break up this giant math expression into smaller steps. So we have div 8-2, subtraction 5-2, exponent 3-2, multi 2-3, and then finally add, which applies to all of the resulting numbers from those individual functions. Now that I'm organized, I can begin to do the problem. So first, I'm going to figure out what those individual functions equal. Mult 2, 3 is just saying multiply 2 by 3, which is 6. Exp 3, 2 is just saying raise 3 to the second power, which is 9. Sub 5-2 is saying subtract 2 from 5, which is 3. And finally, div 8-2 is saying divide 8 by 2, which is 4. So now I'm going to rewrite the problem with these numbers to organize myself. So we have add 6, 9, 3, 4. And this just means add 6 plus 9 plus 3 plus 4. This is our fifth step. And that is equal to 22. And as a final check, we have as many steps as there are functions. So we know 22 is the right answer.